Problem number 6 says that we have the rainfall, we have the December, January, February, March, April months, and the inches recorded in decimal form. And so it says Kara listed the rainfall amounts from least to greatest. Which month would be in the 4th position? So I'm going to go ahead and kind of make me a number line. We're talking about the least to the greatest. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values. So I'm actually going to make 5 lines for writing my numbers. So this would be an excellent place to go back and use our place value tool again. So if you have this handy dandy, go back and erase. And I would take each of your values and I would write them in. So we have December with 3 and 925 thousandths. We have January with 3 and 754 thousandths. We have February with 3 and 21 hundredths. We have March with 2 and 75 hundredths. And we have April with 3 and 8 tenths. So now what I want you to do is I want you to go back and I want you to find the smallest value and list it here, going all the way to the greatest value. And before I leave you, they want us to find the 4th position. So I made a mistake a while ago, and I should have labeled that then, but that would be position 1, position 2, position 3, position 4, and position 5. So the value that we're actually looking for is going to be this answer right here. I'm going to go ahead and circle that now so that when I get ready to order these from least to greatest, it pops out to me. Pause the video, use your table, order them from least to greatest, and then unpause the video to check your work. Alright, boys and girls, so as we look at these numbers and we're looking for the smallest value, I have 3, 2, 3, 3, 3. So obviously 2 is going to be the smallest amount. So I'm going to go put that on my chart right now. 2 and 75 hundredths, and that happens to be March. Alright, I'm going to cross that off so I don't try to reuse it again. Now we still have 3's. We have 3 and 8 tenths, 3 and 2 tenths, 3 and 7 tenths, and 3 and 9 tenths. So 3 and 2 tenths would definitely be the next one. That would be February. So I'm going to grab my paper. I'm going to go back and I'm going to mark February 3 and 21 hundredths. February. Okay. I'm going to mark that one off of my map. Okay. Of the 3 tenths that are left, we have 8 tenths, 7 tenths, and 9 tenths. So 7 tenths is going to be the lowest of those. So I'm going to write that one down. January 3 and 754 thousandths. Okay. Alright, and then we have 9 tenths versus 8 tenths, and definitely April is going to be the one that we're looking at. 3 and 8 tenths, April. With December being the greatest value, 3 and 925 thousandths. So the great thing about already having it circled is I already know what the answer is. Which one is in the 4th position? That would be April. So I'm going to go ahead and bubble that, and hopefully we agree. Now that you have completed this, you're going to go back to Schoology. You're going to go to the Thursday, September 19th folder, and you're going to click up your answers. Make sure you read carefully and then when you're finished, make sure you submit. Boys and girls, if you haven't already, go ahead and put your name on your paper and turn this document into your teacher when you're finished, because this is the work that we're looking for. This work, along with the work on Schoology, will be combined for one grade. Good luck!